Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, my fellow crafters. It's week 6. Can you believe it? We've made it 6 weeks through our summer reading program. This week, we are talking about mammals. And if you haven't already read or heard about it, mammals are animals that have fur and give birth to live babies and don't hatch eggs. So we have a fun little craft. It is an animal movement dice. So what you'll do, you're gonna cut out, you'll get this template. It should be in your envelope marked week 6. So you'll cut around, make sure you keep those flaps on there. They will be important. So cut it out, and then you will fold along the black lines, and then I just taped it together, but you could use glue also, whatever you prefer. But here's the fun thing. Once you have it put together, you can play roll the dice, and whatever comes up is what you will do. So let's say you land on roar like a lion. You will, of course, give out your best roar, lion roar. Or maybe you will flap like a bat, because a bat is a mammal and you can flap your wings. So if you have any questions, they should be answered by this great instruction sheet that you have along with your template for week 6. I hope you guys have so much fun playing with this, and we will see you next week, week 7. Have a great day.